Sharing is caring, and Friday is vibe coding day, right? Let's vibe code something with Snowflake and Streamlit. With Cursor, we have Cursor here at Snowflake, and let me show you something. First things first, um, I have two or three modifications which I found helpful. First of all, models. Really think twice which model is your favorite. My favorite is Gemini 2.5 Pro preview from May. You can add it, like you can add model and type in its correct naming. Then it will be reachable if you don't have it listed yet. Second thing is documentation. If I go down there, you have docs area. And you can add new doc, meaning I can fetch from somewhere like Streamlit docs. Streaming documentation is here. So you just copy paste, the name of the website which contains the docs. You just press enter, and you can build that documentation. It's already there. I think we are sharing that among Snowflake folks, so it's already indexed. Snowflake docs and streaming docs are indexed, and you can reference them when you ask for something. Third thing is MCP servers. So there is a community developed MCP server for Snowflake, which can list databases, list schemas, list tables, describe tables, read queries, and do all the tricks, so that I don't have to jump out and bring manually that context to my cursor. It's running on dedicated special user, which I've set up, and that's it. So I have some kind of flight database, and I want to build Streamlit up, visualizing it. So let me go to the agent mode here. Like you can ask or you can agent, meaning it will plan, search, build, do all the stuff at once in an agentic way. Please check content of database key aviation and check some samples so that we find good data set for visualizing slides with Streamlit. Streamlit docs are here. And you can reference it and then the name of the documentation, Snowflake docs. Pink. Let's start like this. Like I'm vibe coding. I have no plan here prepared well for you. So take a look. First of all, because I referenced the docs, it's checking, it's rugging, it's retrieving documentation, which is already indexed. Maybe it's not important at that step, but it's able to do that. And second step is it directly invented that, okay, you want to check the data. For checking the data, I will call MCP tool, list schemas. This is the parameter passed to the MCP server. Let's run this tool. And this tool should give me schemas from my database. There's a couple of schemas. And it's thinking that either raw data or analytics data will give me. I will not allow him to go to raw data. Let's use analytics data schema. So in fact, the previous call is rejected. Okay, and it agreed. And now I can list tables from that schema and database. The result is visible. The raw result is visible here. And it's even making some judgment, right? Could be good candidates, very good idea. I had many views. I even don't remember which one is which. maybe good practice is to bring more semantics into the game. So I could have left comments on it so that the tool would be more focused on correct selection. Describe table, meaning the view. I will run it. Will it work? It will work. I have data inside. Um, um, it just checked a couple of columns. Please check all of the columns. This is a wide view. So it will fetch a sample from my view with all things included. Some trouble with timestamp because it needs a varchar response. Okay, I'm just clicking. It's vibe coding. I don't care. Let him look at the details. This view is fine. Let's make a dashboard in Streamlit, which would visualize flight, flight, flight track with line on that map. Yeah, so it will start to build Streamlit app. Boom. It's there. Vibe coded first. It's even getting ready for leading trading spaces, which is a trick in that dataset because it was containing somewhere these trading spaces, making it problematic for querying. Add more filters. Because this is suggestion, like what could be added. Yes, please add these filters which you proposed. Flight tracker. Okay, I accept all of the changes. I don't think it did the last thing. That's a small trick that you need to like kick it in the back part to make it happen. Please make the changes. It just says it will update. It's not doing that, and I have to say just do it, like the Nike button is needed here. Just do it. Just do it. It will now alter that. Just by the way, I have all the secrets how to connect to Snowflake already there in the folder, and it will the stream will use it. Okay, it's already proposing some new things. Yeah, let's run it. I didn't finish before. Okay, did you finish? Accept. Let's run it and test it. So it will propose to start Streamlit. So let's run it. Now we are jumping to terminal. So it will launch a terminal. And I have on my different screen connection. I'm using with second factor, so I confirm second factor, and let's see what's going on here. Take a look. We have an app. We have an app. Enter a valid flight ID. Ugh, I don't remember flight IDs, but oh. So as always, errors will happen. Copy, paste, fix it. I don't know what would be the accidentally stopped. Ah, I get it. I get it. Because it was launched just from here and then it was stopped. I will stop that. I will reject the changes, and now let's run it once more because it should be in like a terminal. I'm lazy one because I should just bring the terminal down there and just make it happen. And then now I'm burning electricity and water to do something I know already. No, stop, 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 stop. Restore checkpoint. It's all good. It's all fine. Let's run Streamlit in in termin. Run. Snowflake connection established. Please select flight. I will copy once more this one. We can change it into what's wrong? It stopped. Move to background. Once more. Blah 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 blah. Something is wrong with the session. Let's terminate that. Then I will manually overwrite a little bit. Okay. Aircraft model. Vans. I want some Boeing. 747. 747 something. Oh my goodness. There's so many subtypes. Okay, there is an error. Think what have caused this issue and fix it. And the core function in vibe coding is debugging. You're a designer and debugger, not a developer. Please enter a flight. I just go like this. No, probably I will not catch correct. Okay, no data found for selected. I think. Let me go back and say I want to have a list of flight IDs in the selector, not freestyle entry. Flight ID. It will just fetch the list of distinct flight IDs. This could be longish, but let's see. Best if it would page it, but okay, I'm accepting. Let it be like this. This is changed. This is dead. Let's run once. Yeah, so it's fetching the distinct list, which would be longish, but and I think there's something wrong with ID here. So another mistake. Fix this error, and it will maybe it will probably check the query he's doing. Flight ID, flight ID like. Okay, let him check his idea. There is something he's inventing too much, like giving a hash tag in front. It's now just checking if one of the samples will be queried correctly, and the results will be there, because if he invented the flight ID from the database, he could be it should be shouldn't be wrong with doing something with the dates. I don't think it goes right. Select the flight again. Okay, I'm accepting that and rerunning. Oh, yeah, yippee. Okay, I have some kind of flight dots. Why this contains hashtags in front? Something went wrong. Let me open that once more. Select your flight ID. Wow! Start date, end date, aircraft model. Okay, it will probably be in conflict. Let me ask just one correction, because here are the dots fetched by flight radar, but I want to have a line. Map shows points, not a line. Flight track, please correct. And that will be my last. Bidim, 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 bim, bidim, bim, 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 bim. Hey, do the yay. Let it be. I don't mind. I don't mind. It's Friday. It's vibe coding. It's Snowflake. It's cool. Let's go with the flow. I'll accept these changes. I think I don't need to run it. I just need to restart it. Like let's have one of the first slides on the list here. And maybe get back to that and maybe let's Control C that and then run it if it wanted. Do-do-do-do. Mm, 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 mm. Find ID. Let me toss a coin and get that one. I don't think I see any line. No, I see nothing on the map. Please correct it. Um, One thing is, it's worth taking a screenshot and providing it here. I will control file, command file it. Right, it's an image. The picture because Gemini is multimodal, so it might make better judgment if it will see the whole map. So if you're vibe coding against more visuals than logic, you better get that visual to your model to think about it. Wow, 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 wow. Too quick, too quick, too quick. Move to background, open up. Will this be the end of my 20 minutes vibe coding with a success or still something to the back? Let's toss a coin, this ID. Okay, I have a line. Probably when I look here, I have multiple dates, like the 16th of January, 16th of January. Let me just see January flights from to, because it's like, it looks like this plane was catched back and forth. Yeah, looks good. Looks good. And of course, I can continue, like better visuals, more perspectives. But to summarize, Cursor agentic development, plus Snowflake capabilities in the back, plus MCP, which can talk to Snowflake, plus Streamlit, which is code-based visualization, which is like, you can use your coding IDE to make it happen. And you have miracles. The one piece I'm dreaming about is as well MCP to deploy it. So we would love to have this one now, not just locally here, but to say to MCP now, deploy it to my Snowflake account so that I have this Streamlit up there. And maybe as well in the repo, or maybe I can do, just create a repo and then just say to the MCP server, deploy it from the repo. Plenty of possibilities, but this is really cool how nowadays you can do stuff with AI vibe coding. Over and out. Happy weekend later on to you all, folks.